Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is day number 83 of trading futures every day until I become profitable. So there's a few things to go over today. I actually changed a pretty significant rule for my trading over the weekend. I used to take one trade per day if the first one was green, and if the first one was red, I would just take another trade. The break-evens didn't count, and they still don't count. But after some math, talking to ChatGPT, and some other considerations about it, I decided to just take 2 trades per day regardless of the outcome of the first trade. I feel like I've wore this for the last few videos. So I went into the market today ready to take 2 trades. I waited a while and eventually I got one in AM session. I took that one. Then I started waiting for the second trade and a couple hours went by and eventually it was an hour before PM session with still no trade, no second trade. And I was like, I'm gonna get off for an hour, get something to eat and come back for PM session at 2:30 EST. So that's what I did. When I came back, I seen a couple trades that were super close to give me an entry and they just didn't. And then they went on to hit TP. That's happened so many times today. And I was like, I've been on the charts for like 4+ hours today and my trade was in the first 2 hours and I haven't gotten a second trade. So I decided to change my rules again. And from now on, if I take a win or a loss in AM session, I'll choose one other session, either lunch session or PM session, and I'll trade just in that one session. That way, during the one that I don't trade in, I can either go to the gym or get some other work done or whatever. Because today kind of felt like a waste of time to spend all that time waiting for that second trade and to not get it. So, but my backtesting results say that the strategy has a higher win rate in lunch and PM anyway. So it kind of works out like that. That took way too long. Here's the trades from today, guys. So there was this questionable trade here at 9:45. And I say questionable because we do have the sweep of liquidity. We're delivering from a 5-minute fair value gap. We inversed the 1-minute fair value gap. There was 1 hour equal highs above, like up here somewhere. So I didn't take this trade because there's equal lows, as you can see at the bottom of my screen, equal lows down here and even below that, which are really far away. So they shouldn't have really affected my decision making. So this should have been my first trade. And I think it either came back and hit break even before going up or just went on up, but it went really, really high. But this would have been first partial here. And if I had taken this, my second trade would have been my last trade of the day and then I would have been able to get off and enjoy my day, right? So those things are kind of annoying, but it's whatever. And this is the trade that I did take, and I took it on my phone because I thought that was smart, but then I couldn't figure out how to close the position or anything, so I had to do that on Tradevate, and I didn't have enough time to close half, so I just got out for full, but it ended up working out because it kind of reversed from here. And as you can see, on NQ where I entered this, it was a 1.6 hour trade where I took out, but because of the different movement on MNQ, so I entered this trade because we had a liquidity sweep, delivery from the daily fair value gap. We inversed the 1-minute fair value gap with SMT at the highs. We were in the premium of the higher time frame range and we had equal lows way below, as well as LRL as a drawn liquidity. I was risking, I think, 500. And I made like just over 600 before commissions. This here was a trade I was waiting for because there was a liquidity sweep on the lower time frame. We tapped into this, I think it was a 5-minute or 15-minute fair value gap, and I was waiting for this to inverse on the 3-minute because that was the highest time frame IFVG in the range. So it closed right before the edge of the fair value gap, and if it had closed right above, would have got in this beautiful long. So this exact thing happened, I think, 3 times today, but it's whatever. Also, there was at least 3 beautiful 30-second trades that I could have taken today. I think there's one loser, but I've seen at least 3 winners as well. And I don't even take 30 seconds. So if you guys trade Dodgy Strat or IFVG Strat, do you think that I should start trying to take 30 seconds as well? Because I didn't test them, but everybody else takes them, and just watching them play out every single day is kind of getting annoying. I don't know. Maybe I'll try them with lower size first or something. I don't know. Here is my journal if you guys want to check this out for today. Just the one trade. And here is my calendar. If you want to read that, I just updated my rule here. There it is there. And if you don't know, I just color these green if I follow my rules at the top. Also, I was thinking about what it would be like trading crypto on the weekend with the same strategy, obviously. And I found Binance had the lowest fees. So I went to log in to my old Binance account from like 3 years ago. And I found $400 just sitting there that I totally forgot about. So that was kind of lucky. Going to use that money for challenges for sure. Just gives me more confidence to risk more of my trades. And I really should be risking like $650 to $1,000 per trade because I'm feeling pretty confident and I've got the money to spare now to blow some if that's what it takes, because I want to start on an XFA so I could slowly build that up following simple rules and eventually get a payout. Right now, I never feel any urge to break my rules or FOMO into trades. Nothing bad psychologically. So hopefully that doesn't change, and I don't think it will. It shouldn't, especially with the track record so far. It's been pretty good. good. I don't want to jinx or anything, but I would have to lose 3 in a row to blow it, risking 650, at least with my funded futures. So no, that's with a $2,000 drawdown limit. So yeah, I would have to lose 4 in a row. That's awesome. So I might do it either way, but let me know what your thoughts on that are in the comments. And that's probably going to be it for today's video. Gonna edit this, hit the gym, and get ready for tomorrow, I guess. Have a good night, guys. Hopefully see you tomorrow for day number 84 of trading futures every day until they become profitable. And thanks for watching.